You've got the goalkeeper, the only player allowed to use their hands, and only inside a specific box near the goal. Think of them as the last line of defense, like a safety in football, but way more isolated, because if they mess up, there's nobody behind them. Then you've got defenders. Their job is simple: stop the other team from scoring. Picture offensive linemen, except instead of blocking, they're chasing, tackling, and trying to steal the ball. Next, midfielders. This is the engine room. They run the most out of anyone on the field. Some cover over 7 miles in a single match. That's basically running a half marathon while also making split-second decisions with a ball at your feet. And finally, forwards. Their entire job is to score. Some are complete ball hogs by design. That's literally their role. Quick pattern interrupt here. Did you know the fastest goal in World Cup history was scored in just 11 seconds? 11 seconds. The game basically hadn't even started and someone already celebrated. Now let's get into something that confuses almost every new fan instantly: offside. Here's the simple version. Imagine you're playing tag, but you're not allowed to hide behind the last defender waiting for a pass. That's basically offside. If an attacking player is standing closer to the goal than the last defender when the ball is passed to them, it's illegal. Why does this rule exist? Because without it, forwards could just camp out next to the goalkeeper all game and wait for easy passes. Offside forces players to actually work for position instead of cheating the system. This rule alone has decided World Cup matches by literal centimeters. In recent tournaments, they use a technology called semi-automated offside, using cameras and sensors on the ball to detect this down to millimeters. Yes, millimeters, deciding whether a goal counts in front of a billion people watching. Let's talk about something Americans especially don't expect: yellow and red cards. A yellow card is a warning. Think of it like a penalty flag combined with a strike system. Get 2 yellows in one game, and it turns into a red card, which means you're ejected, and your team has to continue with 1 less player for the rest of the match. No substitutions to fix it. Your team is just down a man. This is brutal because football, unlike American football, doesn't stop for commercial breaks or timeouts to regroup. You're just stuck, disadvantaged for the rest of the game.